Hi there students, this is Dr. John, your physics and math professor. Today we're going to look at another trig identity. We've got something here that looks somewhat strange. Cotangent theta over cosecant minus 1 is equal to this same thing but plus sign, cosecant theta plus 1, and this same thing in the bottom here as it is on the top. But also if you look at this, cosecant plus 1, cosecant minus 1, if you multiply those by each other, you might have something that would resemble Pythagoras Theorem in one of its variations. Remember, these are the four principles we're going to use in this section. Trig definitions, double angle, Pythagoras, and difference of squares. That's a really good place to start with any trig identity and see if those things apply. So let's remember the sine squared plus cos squared equals 1, Pythagoras' theorem for trigonometry. We have a number of variations on that. Well, this one, if we're going to multiply this by this, it's going to be a cosecant squared. Cosecant squared would mean 1 over sine. So let's divide everything by sine squared. Over here, we're going to have 1 plus cosine over sine. Cosine squared over sine squared will give you cotangent squared, and this is going to be equal to cosecant squared theta on the right side. If we manipulate this a little bit, because what we're going to want is cosecant squared minus 1. So let's move this 1 to this side, subtract a 1 from here, get rid of this. We're going to have cosecant squared theta minus 1 is equal to cotangent. So that might come in handy. Let's see if we can use that. I'm going to write that up here, cotangent squared theta. I'll erase this. How could we get cosecant squared theta on, let's just look at the left side here, left hand side. Usually you'll try working on one side and generating the other, or both sides and generating the same thing. Let's take the top and the bottom here and multiply both by the thing that will turn this into cosecant squared. So this is going to be cotangent theta times cosecant theta plus 1. Remember, we're just looking at the left side. On the bottom, we'll start with this, cosecant theta minus 1. That's the term that's already here, and multiply by this. Notice we're multiplying the top and the bottom both by this term. We're not changing anything. That's just the left-hand side here. So now on the bottom here, we're going to have cosecant squared theta minus 1 or cotangent theta squared theta. I'm getting a little bit messy here. Hopefully I can rewrite this in a way that's a little clearer. I'm rewriting this here for that bottom term. Now we have a cotangent squared there and a single cotangent there, and we're left with this term here, which if I rewrite it is going to be cosecant theta plus 1 over cotangent theta. I don't even need to rewrite it. You can see it right there. If that helps, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.